If you've come across Lunavore while searching for sports trading cards or hobby boxes, you might be wondering whether it's a trustworthy store or one you should avoid. Lunavore describes itself as a destination for collectors, investors, and sports fans, offering authentic sports trading cards and factory-sealed hobby boxes. The company says it was built by collectors who understand the excitement of opening packs, completing collections, and finding rare cards. It also claims to provide a trusted and reliable shopping experience. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's look at some important warning signs. The first thing to notice is that Lunavore is a very new website. According to publicly available domain records, the website was registered on January 21, 2026. A newly created website doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean there isn't much long-term history for buyers to evaluate. When purchasing expensive hobby boxes or collectible cards, many people prefer stores with an established reputation. Another concern comes from the BBB scam tracker. There are multiple complaints associated with Lunavore. Some customers claim they never received their orders, while others report that customer support stopped responding after payment. A few complaints also mention that the merchant name shown on their payment statement did not appear to match Lunavore. Reported losses included purchases of around $845 and $150. These are customer allegations, not proof that every transaction has the same outcome, but they are definitely worth considering before placing an order. Customer support is another area that raises questions. Several complaints say buyers were unable to get help through email, phone, or live chat after ordering. Since the website advertises multiple ways to contact support, shoppers naturally expect timely responses if an issue arises. The website also makes strong claims about selling 100% authentic and factory-sealed products sourced from trusted distributors. While that sounds reassuring, these statements come directly from the company itself. Before spending a large amount of money, it's always a good idea to look for independent reviews or other evidence that supports those claims. Finally, Lunavore features positive customer testimonials on its own website. While these reviews may be genuine, they should not be treated the same as independent reviews posted on trusted third-party platforms. So, is Lunavore legit or a scam? At this point, I wouldn't call it a confirmed scam. However, the new domain, multiple BBB complaints, reported communication issues, and limited independent reputation suggest that buyers should proceed carefully and do thorough research before making a purchase.